Back in 1989, Michael Bolton's Soul Provider reached the number 17 on the Billboard chart. 25 years later, Romain Virgo put his reggae spin on the song, which became a hit across the Caribbean. Romain Virgo is here to share the backstory behind that song in our FiWi Culture segment.
Talk about love, talk about trust, talk about forever, baby, talk about us.
What was it that made you decide to do a cover version?
So I got this rhythm from Silly Wax. I was vibing to the rhythm. I really loved the rhythm the first time hearing it, and I was just vibing, and for some reason I felt like I was hearing chord progressions, like even though it was so different, it's like there was just something that was telling me that this is the song that can fit on the rhythm. So I called Pete at the time and said, Pete, like, that song sound like it have the progression for Soul Provider. And he must say, for real? No, man. But me I say, yo, but I hit me a ear, and he say, yo, just sing it then. So I went to the studio, me and him. We recorded this at Jack Scarpio's studio.
And baby, I wanna stay that way.
I was just there singing out my heart and my soul. So I never expect that Silly Wax would actually put out the song. Michael Bolton is one of my favorite singers. I grew up listening to Michael Bolton inside of the house. Like my mother, you know, when she buy our CDs, then, you know, Michael Bolton is a part of it, you know. So, you know, without a doubt, man, we'll perform it. I don't think Jamaica took on to that cover version as much as I thought they would, but the rest of the world, especially the Caribbean, like, Soul Provider was one of the songs that was, like, it opened so many doors in the Caribbean.
Your soul provider.
Alright, Legani Massive, that is how we're going to close out this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. Until next time, I'm Nalda Adi.
And I'm Eddie.
And I hope you guys enjoyed your Emancipendence holidays. Big up on yourselves, and we'll see y'all next time. And extended play.